Is your ceramic sanitaryware plant bleeding on green body breakage? A freshly cast ceramic green body holds 18 to 22% moisture, so brittle it cracks at a touch. Manual handling runs 2 to 5% breakage, shift after shift. Every blank that shatters before the kiln is a direct loss you cannot recycle. See the real problem. Wet green bodies are extremely fragile, and manual handling force rides entirely on feel, different every part. High-pressure slip casting compresses the forming cycle to 30 to 60 seconds, which manual demolding can't keep pace with. And forming shop hiring keeps getting harder, breakage and throughput squeezed from both ends. This line pairs a robot with a soft vacuum gripper plus force feedback. Multiple suction cups spread the contact stress. A force feedback closed loop holds contact pressure under 0.05 megapascals, and the gripper backs off automatically if pressure spikes. Pick success reaches over 99.5%, no longer dependent on a veteran's touch. 3 cores. First, green body breakage drops from 2 to 5% to under 0.5. The green body waste saved alone pays it back. Second, force feedback closes the loop at 0.05 megapascals contact pressure and releases the instant pressure spikes. Breakage stops being a skill problem. Third, 3 to 15 kilogram fragile parts, synchronized to the high-pressure casting cycle of 30 to 60 seconds, so demolding never drags the cadence. Watch the demo. The high-pressure casting machine opens. The robot's soft vacuum gripper settles onto the wet ceramic body. Multiple cups grip evenly, while force feedback monitors contact pressure in real time, and it lifts the demolded body smoothly onto the tray. No rigid clamping, no knocks, part after part, pace to the casting cycle. By the numbers. Manual handling, 2 to 5% breakage, 95 to 98% pick success, 60 to 90 seconds per part. Robot's soft gripper, under 0.5% breakage, over 99.5% success, 30 to 60 seconds synced to the casting cycle, and it frees 2 to 3 operators per line. This solution fits toilets, wash basins, bathtubs, tableware plates, and industrial ceramics, any fragile wet body. The robot plus soft vacuum gripper plus force feedback turns ceramic handling from field-based, labor-dependent, breakage as cost into a parameterized, repeatable, breakage-controlled process. Online vision plus pre-firing weighing auto-rejects broken pieces and feeds back to tune the gripper parameters. The core of wet ceramic handling isn't how firmly you grip. It's whether you can hold breakage under 0.5% on an 18 to 22% moisture-fragile body while keeping pace with the high-pressure casting cycle. Your forming shop, what's your green body breakage now? How many blanks a year never make it to the kiln?